guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your mama here, Juvy, and today's video is another DIY video, and this is my DIY antlers. Without further ado, let's get started. The materials that we need is an old headband, fuzzy wires or craft wires or any wires you have, masking tape, old magazine or brochures. I used Avon brochures, scotch tape, wire cutter, brown paper bag that I cut into strips, paintbrush, and my DIY paper mache glue. First step is to attach the wires into the headband to whatever design you desire, and you may search a picture of an antler for an inspiration. Next step is I attach the old magazine to the wires, starting from the tip, going to the body, and then to the headband. I just wrap it around and then secure it with scotch tape. Since I am not yet satisfied with how thick my antler is, I added one more layer of magazine. I just did the same process. Once you are satisfied on how your antlers would look like, it is now time to secure everything with masking tape. And also, putting on this masking tape would make a lot more easier for the next step for this DIY. Then again, I started from the tip, going to the body, and then to the headband. I found it much easier. Then here's the messy part, paper mache. I used a brown paper bag here that I cut into strips. Then my DIY paper mache glue. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do a video on how I made this DIY paper mache glue. I struggled doing these antlers on the table, so I used this container as a stand. Be resourceful. You may grab anything that you can use as a stand. Then let it dry overnight. And once it's dry, this is how it should look like. You may sand it, but for this DIY, I skip sanding because for me, it is more realistic if I just let it look like this. Then I painted it with brown acrylic paint, and then afterwards, I added some black paint just to add some details. And voila! This is the finished product. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave any comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't yet already, and see you in my next video. Bye!